This week, we take a journey into the provocative world of Egon Schiele, an artist whose erotic paintings are not only visually striking, but also rich with deeper meaning. I encourage you to look beyond the surface and uncover the intricate narrative that is hidden beneath. Egon Schiele, an Austrian Expressionist painter, lived between the years 1890 and 1918. His work is noted for its intensity, raw sexuality, and for the many nude self-portraits that he created. At first glance, Schiele's paintings captivates us with their raw energy, distorted forms, and bold sexuality. His figures are often depicted in intimate poses, showing a sense of desire that is both captivating and provocative. Yet these works go beyond mere eroticism. They serve as a lens through which we can explore the complexities of human emotion, sexuality, and identity. One of the most striking aspects of Schiele's art is the interplay between desire and vulnerability. His subjects often display a duality as they are simultaneously powerful and exposed. This contrast invites us to reflect on the nature of intimacy. In a world where vulnerability can be perceived as weakness, Schiele embraces it and shows the beauty in oneness and the strength derived from embracing our desires. His figures, often stripped of their social masks, reveal a raw honesty that resonates with viewers on a personal level. If we look deeper into the broader cultural context in which Schiele operated, his erotic paintings can be seen as a critique of early 20th century social norms that surrounded sexuality. His art challenges conventional portrayal of the human form and sexuality and pushes boundaries that provoke dialogue about desire, consent, and the complexities of human relationships. Through his work, Schiele invites us to question our own beliefs and social constructs, making his art not only visually interesting, but also socially relevant. One of the most compelling paintings of Schiele, which amplifies his unique approach to eroticism, vulnerability, and emotional depth, is The Embrace. What stands out in this painting is the expression of duality and desire intertwined with vulnerability. The figures, while in a passionate embrace, exhibit a sense of exposure. Their facial expressions reveal a mix of ecstasy and uncertainty, emphasizing the complex emotions that accompany intimacy. Another one of Schiele's paintings is Self-Portrait in Yellow, where he presents a striking image of himself stripped bare both physically and emotionally. Schiele's distinctive style is evident here through his expressive use of color and line. The yellow color enhances the emotional intensity of the piece, while the angular lines and exaggerated forms reflect his unique approach to self-representation. This painting exemplifies the rich, layered nature of Schiele's art. Beneath the surface of Schiele's bold colors and exaggerated forms lies a wealth of symbolism. Each brushstroke, color choice, and composition carries meaning that transcends the immediate visual experience. Egon Schiele studied at the Vienna Academy of Fine Arts, but soon rejected its conservative academic style. He was influenced by Gustav Klimt, though he developed a much more raw and physiologically intense style of his own. Schiele's work is characterized by distorted forms and vivid colors, often exploring the theme of sexuality, death, and the human condition. Despite his brief life cut short by the Spanish flu, Schiele left a significant mark on the art world, influencing modern art and becoming a pivotal figure in early 20th century Expressionism. If you're one of my students, pay attention to how deeply Schiele's paintings resonates differently with each individual. As you immerse in his paintings, allow yourself to reflect on the way your own experiences shape your artistic expression. Actively participate in what is hidden in his paintings. Dive deep into your own narratives and don't shy away from exploring themes of desire and vulnerability. I will discuss your assignment for the week at the end of this video. Your assignment this week is to create a work of art that fosters a dialogue between painting and the viewer. Let Schiele's work inspire you to explore the depth of human emotion in your own painting. This is a great way to make the experience very personal for the viewer. If you wish, you can send an image of your painting to the website of Fusion Art International for exhibit, review, and my suggestions. See you next week when we take a deeper look into the paintings of another giant of the art world.